how do you say Jesus arrives like a thief according to the spurious book of Revelation? Okay, twice, Revelation 16 here, I come like a thief. When Jesus himself says the thief does not come except only for this reason only, that he steals and sacrifices and wholly loosens away. Now here's using the personal pronoun, I came that they may have Aeonian life and have it abundantly. The thief does not come except only that he steals and sacrifices and wholly loosens away. Book of Revelation. I come like a thief. Wake up. Start thinking about what you are saying. If Jesus comes like a thief, in the simile of a thief, and Jesus said, thief does not come except only that he steals and sacrifices and wholly loosens away, are you suggesting Jesus comes to do these things in contradiction to what he says he came for? And what most Christians are failing to pay attention to is that here it's the day that comes like a thief in the night. The day. That the day should not downtake you like a thief. What is the day of the Lord? It's not the coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. The day of the Lord is the Old Testament day of Yahweh, found in these verses. Where in Joel 2:11, the day of Yahweh is great and exceedingly feared. Where on multiple occasions Jesus instructs us to fear not, according to his coming. And in the context of Joel here, chapter 2, verse 11, if we back up, verse 9, we see the context of the thief, which in the Old Testament is the stealer. In the cities they stroll about, at the wall they run, and at the houses they go up, in range of the hatches they come in as the stealer. This is not referring to Jesus Christ coming like a thief. Again, in Obadiah, verse 15, for near is the day of Yahweh, the day of the Lord, which comes like a thief in the night. Or if we back up to verse 5, we read, if stealers, thieves, have come to you, if there are ones laying waste by night, how are you silenced? Do they not steal to their enough? Like a thief in the night. And in relationship to the parabolic watch times of the night, Mark 13:35, according to the coming of the Lord, Jesus proposes the question, if you had perceived in what kind of watch time the thief comes, you would not, as it were, permit your house to be dug through. Where thieves dig through and steal. Matthew chapter 6, verses 19 and 20. Where again, the thief does not come except only that he steals and sacrifices and wholly loosens away. I came that they may have life, Aeonian life, and have it abundantly. Which begs the question, who is I? Stating, I come like a thief here in the book of Revelation. Well, it's the Antichrist. The Jesus of this book is another Jesus. 2 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 4. Revelation chapter 22. Here again, somebody's using a personal pronoun here. Very strange, because Jesus, normally he didn't do this. I, speaking to himself, I, Jesus, I have sent my angel. What did Paul say in Galatians here? But even so, if we or an angel out of heaven should well announce to you anything besides that which we will announce to you, let him be anathema. Well, finally, may I suggest that you look into this book by Fred Harding, explaining how the writer of the book of Revelation was not John the Loved of Jesus, but a Jewish heretic named Cerinthus. Where if you would like to go to my YouTube channel, Revelation Questions, click on Playlists, and go to the first video, Who Wrote the Book of Revelation. I put a pinned comment with some links regarding Cerinthus and the doctrine of millennialism, which is found only in the book of Revelation, which comes out of Gnosticism.